Good morning. So you are very used to listening. Hi guys, C. Rachana Ranade here. And I welcome you all to the first ever course which I am taking on technical analysis. Till date, I have conducted 2 courses as a classroom session. First was Basics of Stock Market, which I took in February 2019 only. That was, I think, one of the big revolutions for me as well, because that first lecture which I recorded, I had uploaded on YouTube. And today that same lecture is about to hit 2 million views. So hitting 2 million views in a span of like 7 to 8 months, I thought it's actually, I saw my own video going viral. So that was a very nice feeling for me as well. So after that, I took a course on fundamental analysis, and I took one more course, but which I did as a studio recording. I wanted to try something new. So many of you might not be even knowing about that course. That course is on personal financial management. So in that, I've talked about insurance, mutual funds, as a very basic introductory level. Sorry? Very good course. You checked it out. Very nice. Okay. So hopefully this course will also add value to your entire knowledge. The very first question which pops up in many people's mind is that I'm not from a commerce background, and I guess majority of you, I may say maybe all of you are from a non-commerce background. So in that case, will I be able to grasp all these things or not? So don't worry, I don't think finance has got anything to do with technical analysis, not really. Just to give you a simple comparison, in entire CA course as well, there is just one chapter, I may say half of the chapter on technical analysis. So entire CA also does not have technical analysis. Frankly speaking, when I cleared CA, that time there was not even one chapter on technical analysis. So even I have learned this entire concept of technical analysis post-qualification. So I've done a lot of mistakes. I have lost a lot of money. And then I learned from my mistakes, and I then I can say I can drafted own strategies as to which can work well, wherein I went wrong. So I just tried to draw certain rules for this. And based on these rules, I thought, let me just share this knowledge to you also. And whatever strategies I'm telling you, I have tested them. Very important thing, no one can give you 100% guarantee of anything. Even tomorrow, if you ask Rakesh Jhunjhunwala to come here and tell one strategy that will be 100% accurate, do you think he will be able to give you? No. People say that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is a millionaire, billionaire, whatever. But even his shares, certain shares, are in tremendous losses. No one will talk about his losses. Everyone will talk about his gains. Correct. For example, if you can imagine something like this, that he had invested in Unitech share at, let us say, 40 rupees or whatever, and let's say that share is trading less than 10 rupees today. When he bought it at 40, people were saying, oh, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala bought it at 40. It means it will go to 70, 80. So there is a news when he buys it, but whenever he is in losses or whenever he has even sold slowly and steadily, no one will even talk about that. So we just get stuck up in certain shares just by listening to rumors or just by listening to news. X person has bought it, Y person has bought it, so I should also buy. Yes, absolutely. So that's a very recent example that he gave. There was a big news. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala buys Yes Bank. And that was when the share went up also. Okay. So he bought it in bulk, it went up, and who knows how and when he has sold. There was no news whether he has sold it or not. If he has sold it in bits and pieces, no one comes to know about it as well. And investors like us, what do? They will invest because he has invested, and they just forget about that share. There's a mentality. एकदा घ्यायचं आणि विसरून जायचं. Just buy it and forget about it. That won't work in today's scenario. Today the market is so dynamic that you have to keep look over the market. I don't expect that you take a look every day. We are not traders. Okay. Be very sure that I'm not going to teach you intraday strategies a lot. I might show you 1 or 2 strategies, but not a lot, because I myself don't believe a lot in intraday trading. Let us say out of 10 trades, I might take